Greetings, Bowtie95 here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys, and it is from J. Crew. I got a nice little haul here. Just had a birthday this month, turned 36, and they sent me a nifty little card in the mail, $25 off my entire purchase of 25 or more. And I got there. I wasn't looking for anything in particular. I thought I'll just look around, I'll see if there's anything I like. They were having a sale. Everything was either like 30 to 40% off. They also had some like summer stuff that was on clearance. An additional 20% if you used your store credit. And then the card that I got in the mail. So I got a huge steal today. So I just want to show you guys everything that I got. This is the first of 2 pair of pants that I picked up. These are, they're a cotton twill, almost like a Docker style pant. I love the color of these. It's kind of like a pewter. It's going to give some nice versatility. It's going to be a nice like dress down look. So there's that. I have another pair, the exact same style of pant, but this one is in a kind of blue-gray. I like this shade in particular. It's very versatile. Blue is like my favorite color, as you guys know. And that's those. I also got this shirt, which already has some blue shirts, but this one I like. There's some weaving in it. I don't know if you can see from here. So it has just a little different kind of look to it on the finish. And this is another shirt I can dress up with a jacket and tie, or I can dress down, open collar, roll the sleeves up. So it gives me some different options. And then I have 2 sweaters here. This first one, it's a Pima cotton. So it has, it's cotton, but it has that finer finish to it. So you get that almost feel of like a merino wool. But what's nice about the cotton is it's washable. So it's not as fussy. And I like the shade of this. It's probably hard to tell on camera, but it's almost like a coral, but a little lighter. And it's just long sleeve, pink sweater. The other one here, this one is a wool, and you can probably tell it has a more of a generous knit to it, and then you have like that stitching here on the seam that just kind of gives it that look, and the collar, very classic. This is like a pumpkin orange. I really like it. I don't have anything in this color yet. This is going to give me a lot of nice fall and winter options. And that is pretty much it. I spent, I think after tax, it was like around 160 something for all the pieces, which is a huge steal. I was watching as he was ringing it up. Before all the discounts came off, I think I was around 225 something, around that area. So I mean, that's almost like $70 in savings, give or take. So huge. I cannot wait to try out my new looks, show them off for you guys. But I thought I would just check in today to do a little birthday haul for everybody. So there we have it. As always, like and subscribe at the bottom. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And until next time.